SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands at the forefront of structural engineering, offering unparalleled structural drawing services that form the backbone of successful construction projects. In the complex world of building design and development, precise structural drawings are not merely technical documents, they are the blueprint for safety, efficiency, and architectural integrity. SCON's team of highly qualified engineers and drafters leverage cutting-edge CAD software and BIM technology to create detailed, accurate, and compliant structural drawings that meet the most stringent industry standards. The company's expertise spans a wide range of structures, from residential complexes to commercial skyscrapers and industrial facilities. Each project benefits from SCON's meticulous approach, which includes comprehensive analysis of load-bearing requirements, material specifications, and environmental factors. This attention to detail ensures that every beam, column, and connection is optimized for performance and longevity. SCON's structural drawing services encompass foundation plans and details, framing layouts for floors and roofs, reinforcement detailing for concrete structures, steel connection design.